Multiply 78,546 by 694 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 5 plus the carried 1 is 21. Put 1 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 8 plus the carried 2 is 34. Put 4 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 7 plus the carried 3 is 31. The first partial product is 314,184. Now use the tens digit, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 6 is 54. Put 4 in this column and carry 5. 9 times 4 plus the carried 5 is 41. Put 1 in this column and carry 4. 9 times 5 plus the carried 4 is 49. Put 9 in this column and carry 4. 9 times 8 plus the carried 4 is 76. Put 6 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 7 plus the carried 7 is 70. The second partial product is 7,069,140. Now use the hundreds digit, 6. Start two places to the left. 6 times 6 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 27. Put 7 in this column and carry 2. 6 times 5 plus the carried 2 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 8 plus the carried 3 is 51. Put 1 in this column and carry 5. 6 times 7 plus the carried 5 is 47. The third partial product is 47,127,600. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the thousands column, 4 plus 9 plus 7 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus the carried 2 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 100,000s column, 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus the carried 1 is 5. In the millions column, 7 plus 7 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 to the power of 7 column, 4 plus the carried 1 is 5. The product of the whole numbers is 54,510,924. So 78,546 times 694 is 54,510,924.